Joseph, can you tell the people what we're doing today?
Teaching you how to change oil.
Not teaching me, you're helping me change the oil. We're gonna change the oil on the Mustang before we hit the road to Austin to go see Moto GP 2019. Joseph?
There you go.
Alright guys, so me and Joseph just finished switching the oil on the Stang. We had to do a quick run to AutoZone because we got the wrong oil. And we also switched it up to Pennzoil. Is that good shit, right? Alright guys, I'll see you when we get to Austin. Good morning guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we are at the Circuit of Americas in Austin, Texas. We came to see the Moto GP race today. Today's Friday, the 12th? Today's Friday the 12th. And we just came in.
Is this some underwear or leggings?
My dad bought this umbrella.
Wow! Wow!
Alright guys, so we're currently just exploring around. Following my dad, like he's like a small child and I have to keep track of him so he doesn't get lost. What are you, look at him flexing on us.
He's flexing on us.
I know. He thinks he's cool or something. Huh? Yeah. All right, guys. So we just the free practice for Friday's MotoGP just ended, and we're gonna go walk around, see what we find. I'm watching you guys through my phone right now. You guys are on my shoulder. This is the coolest thing I've ever seen, and the mic's like right where my mouth is.
My bad.
Hey guys, this is ASMR John here with another new video. Look, you can see it like perfect. Mira, Dad.
¿Qué es eso? ¿Qué pasa ahí?
¿Quién es?
¿Yo no? Ah!
That's my dad, guys. He's straight chilling. This is day 2 of the MotoGP right now. We're on our way to the GoPro station to go see if we can win a free GoPro. And we're trying to run through all these people real quick. Oh shoot! It's across the whole thing, and it's at 1:30. And 1:20 right now. You guys can't see that. But I left my dad behind.
How's it going?
What's up, guys?
Just gonna try to win him a camera here
We're gonna do
at the GoPro truck.
Yes, sir.
How about I get a GoPro on the count of 3? 1, 2, 3! GoPro! Jeez, I'm going that way. That was horrible. Anybody want to win a camera? Yeah! A little bit better. GoPro on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3! GoPro! There we go. Hero 7 Black Edition camera right here. 12 megapixel photo, 4K 60, voice controlled, screen on the back, waterproof out of the housing. Who wants to take this one home? Lauren Hughes. Lauren, did you look at him like you didn't know if it was you or not? Look very confused. Come on up here. What email did you get? That's how you win a GoPro right there. Super simple. Should we do one more?
Yeah!
How about I throw in a Seeker backpack with this one?
Yeah!
You guys are very lively today. I want a GoPro 3 times on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3! That's all right. Kenneth Grimm. Kenneth Grimm. Is that you? What email did you use? Remember, we're doing sales right here. $50 off a Hero 7 Black free SD card, free sleeve and lanyard. We're throwing it.
Alright guys, so they're clearing the track right now for the zero second day of, oh shoot. Alright, it's the second day of MotoGP still, and it just ended, and we're now in the Austin downtown of Austin? Question mark? Ew. You just yeeted your last haul. And now we're looking for... My dad's jaywalking. We almost just died now. Battle.
DA got that dope.
Good afternoon. It is, I am. It is,
Crowded?
yeah, today's crowded. Today's day 3 of MotoGP. It's Sunday, April 14th. Right now we're currently heading to the GoPro giveaway again because yesterday was lost. I'm not having that, so we're gonna go try it again. Update, we found my dad. Hola. Alright, let's run. We're racing.
12-megapixel camera, 4K at 60, voice control, waterproof out of the housing, touchscreen on the back, hyper smooth stabilization, shaky video is dead. Who wants it? Give me a GoPro on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. GoPro! First winner of the day, Luis Hernandez. Luis Hernandez. 10, 9, 8, Luis! 5, 4, Luis Hernandez! 1, everybody say thanks, Luis! Dan Carr. Dan Carr. This guy's smart right there. Dan Carr. Dan Carr. Everybody say thanks, Dan. Dan and Luis are at the beer cart over there, drunk. Brandon Woodward. Brandon Woodward. There you go. What email did you sign up with? Tell them right there. B is Extreme right there. Hero 7 Black Edition camera. Hang on, I got a couple things for you. The SD card you're gonna need, and I'm throwing in a lanyard today as well. There you go. Be Extreme. Should we do one more? Give me a GoPro on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. GoPro! This time let's say it twice on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. GoPro! 3 times as loud as you can. You better make it count or I'm taking this thing home. 1, 2, 3. GoPro! I'm throwing in the Seeker again as well. Christina Guzman. Christina Guzman. Is that you? Yes. She looks honest, but I'm gonna check her email. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Guys, $50 off, free SD card, free lanyard, free signed Rossi hat to the next 10.
My dad's literally wanting to buy a camera just so he can get a free Rossi signed
More
hat.
SD cards.
How extra is this man? Guys, we didn't win the GoPro, but my dad ended up buying one just to get the signed Valentino Rossi hat. This man is crazy. How do you feel, Dad? ¿Cómo te sientes?
Al 100.
He said to the 100%. Let's get excited. All right.